Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Just want to come on here and say hope all is well with everyone. It's cold outside and I'm gonna make me some dinner. I just got home, so I want to make some soup and a sandwich. Check me out. Cheese and bologna. Anybody else have Cheesecake Factory bread? It's really good. It's not too bad. And it's 80 calories. Nice. So we're gonna use that. Oh, that makes it clean every day. I put some Dawn already on there. A little bit. And then we gotta know how to wash dishes. Everybody should know how to wash dishes. Everybody should know how to wash dishes by now, right? Yes. Okay, we balling now. We ready to put inside. And then I got my little bowl ready, and I'm gonna have an apple once all is done. And here are my seasonings I'm gonna put in there. Same. Turmeric, black pepper, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. All going in here. It's already spicy, so I'm not gonna put too much of nothing in there, so it won't taste too spicy. But yeah, look at all those spices on there already. I haven't even put anything on there yet. When I put it in the bowl, that's when I'll. Okay, here we go. Let's hold this like this. Pour this in here until we get it to the rim. There you go. A little bit more. And we wait. Close it up. And just wait for it to get done. In the meantime, I done started on my sandwich. My sandwich is really good. Almost done. I'm trying to wait for my soup before I get even done. I'll be back. Here's how it's looking. It says 3 minutes. Hasn't been 3 minutes yet, but I wanted to stir it in. Make sure all the noodles are in nice and covered. So it hasn't been 3 minutes yet. Not just yet, but I just want to make sure it's in there. It's going to be transferred to a bowl, so I want the noodles not soft, but al dente, sorta, but softer. Okay. Usually grilled cheese and soup or tomato soup. Tomato or which one? Let me know. Alright, as always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I thank you for watching. I'm going to go and enjoy my food. You guys stay safe out there. Peace. Oh yeah, my sandwich. Almost gone. Now the bread looks kind of dry, but you can just take it, dip it inside here, and eat it. Mmm. Nice and soft. Alright, again, like, comment, share, subscribe. And always, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Enjoy.